going to draw a whale shark. Start by drawing like this diagonal line right here. Make sure to draw gently or it will be hard to erase. But if you're having trouble drawing the lines, you can use a ruler. It's fine if you made a mistake. You just gotta erase it and do it again. Okay, after that, add this like diagonal line here, and then add another one right here. And that's it for the head base. Now let's add the body texture. Firstly, let's add the curve here. And then after that, add another curve here, and then reach it to the tip. Then add the curve here. And then add like this line here to add the other side of the fin. Then draw like this diagonal line here, and then add like a vertical line. Then add another triangle here. Add a bigger triangle for the whale shark's fin. And then go down here. And then after that, add this like diagonal line, then go right there. After that, add this like diagonal line, then go right there. Add a diagonal line here for the tail. Then draw another diagonal line and connect it to the tail. And that's it for our initial sketch. Now let's make it more like a defined sketch. Firstly, add like this curve here to add some features later. And then for the mouth, add like this curve and then go right there. Then after that, add add this thing right here, and then add a curve here, and then add like this curve here, and then add another curve, one, and then go right here. Okay, next add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gills on the whale shark, because fish use gills in order for them to breathe underwater. So after that, add this circle, add a highlight, and then add like this pupil. And then after that, add a curve. for the pectoral fin, add like a curve here, then go right there, then go right there, connecting to the body. Make a curve here. For the fin, add like this curve, then go down, then add an additional curve right there in this end. Then add this curve and do the same thing as in the fin. Go right there for the tail, then trace this thing here, and then add this curve, and then add another curve right here, and then another curve there. And then add this curve here, and then add another curve here. After there, don't overlap, so like that. Add some lines here, but don't overlap the fin and the tail. After that, add some additional lines, and then after that, trace the triangles one by one. Now let's erase some guidelines. Why? Because they're just guides. They're helping you to draw. Did you know that whale sharks are also an endangered species? Because they accidentally got caught because of fishing. Ocean-like fishing. That's what I mean. Yeah, guys. So after that, guys, we have to make like a huge amount of circles here. This could take a while, but it's fine. But the easiest way is to like add this area, then go right there. So that would be much easier. Then add those curves here. Okay, after that, let's add some more while I'll do the thing. Okay, now after that, in this area, add some more dots, like of your own, and then erase so that it will be whiter in color. Do some more spots until you're happy with the result. And redraw them also. Okay. And now let's erase them for a wider like texture. But it's fine if you can't see them. You just have to press harder in order for it to see it. You to see it. after that, add some more spots in the fin. And we're almost done. We just need to add a few more finishing touches before we end this video. Okay. Erase those black and gray things in the spots in order for them to look white. But it's okay if it's not white. It'll be fine. Add some few more in the tail. Did you know that whale sharks are filter feeders, meaning they don't eat humans. They only eat small fish too. This might take a while, but it's okay. Okay, now after that, add some outlines in order to divide the lower part and the higher part of the whale shark. Then add some black into its mouth, and then go here. Erase the gray, and then that will become light gray. If it's light gray already for each body part, it's fine. You don't have to erase them. Like gently. Okay, now let's add some smoother light gray until we're happy with the result too. Okay, now let's recolor those parts here in the top part of the whale shark's body. Okay, and that's it for the whale shark. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment if you want more of my videos. And I'll see you later in the next video.